Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Dreaming of a life filled with luxury, success, and financial freedom? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 10 things you must do to become a millionaire. Get ready to take notes, because your journey to wealth begins right here, right now. Segment 1. Mindset. Success starts from within, and it all begins with believing in yourself and your abilities. Embrace a mindset of abundance, visualize your goals, and never let setbacks deter you from chasing your dreams. Segment 2. Set clear goals. Millionaires don't achieve success by aimlessly wandering through life. They have a crystal clear vision of exactly what they want to achieve and break it down into actionable steps. Define your financial goals and create a roadmap to reach them. Segment 3. Continuous learning. Invest in your most valuable asset, yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with successful individuals. Knowledge is power, and understanding the ins and outs of the business world is essential on your path to becoming a millionaire. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Segment 4. Entrepreneurial spirit. Millionaires think outside the box. They identify opportunities where others see challenges. Develop your entrepreneurial skills and be open to taking calculated risks. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Segment 5. Hard work. There's no substitute for hard work when it comes to achieving success. Millionaires understand that their dreams won't magically be handed to them. Be willing to put in the effort, go the extra mile, and persevere even when faced with obstacles. Segment 6. Multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one income source limits your earning potential. Seek out additional opportunities to generate revenue, such as investing, starting a side business, or creating passive income streams. By expanding your income sources, you'll increase your chances of becoming a millionaire. Segment 7. Financial discipline. Millionaires understand the value of wise money management. Budget your expenses, avoid unnecessary debt, and save consistently. Delay gratification and prioritize long-term financial stability over short-term pleasures. Segment 8. Networking. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Network within your industry, attend events, and connect with influential people. Building a strong network can open doors to opportunities you would never have accessed otherwise. Segment 9. Invest wisely. Start early and make informed investment decisions. Dive into the world of stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles that align with your financial goals. Seek professional advice and never put all your eggs in one basket. Segment 10. Giving back. True success is not only measured by wealth, but also by how much positive impact you have on the world. Donate to charities, support causes you believe in, and make a difference. Remember, the more you give, the more you'll receive. There you have it, the top 10 things you must do to become a millionaire. But remember, wealth is not just about money. It's about living a purposeful and fulfilling life. So, adopt the millionaire mindset, set clear goals, work hard, and never stop learning. Build a strong network, invest wisely, and always remember to give back. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Now go out there and make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share this video with friends who are also aspiring to become millionaires. Together, we can make our dreams a reality. Thank you for watching.